Good morning everyone and welcome back in a new video here on Smart Place. Today we are going to see the big journey of a little water drop. The journey starts in the oceans, in particular on the surface of them. Here billions of water molecules that we will represent as a drop evaporate because of the solar heat. So now, in the form of steam, the journey continues in the sky. When the water steam arrives on a date altitude and temperature, condenses and becomes a water drop. Now, because of gravity, the water drop falls down, and now it can drops in different situations. Indeed, it can fall into groundwater where it will remain for hundreds of years before returning to the ocean. It can also falls on lakes and then on a river, or it can falls on a river, which is the fastest way to return to the sea. We can see that our water drop returns where its trip began. We can see that the journey of a water drop is a cycle, the cycle of water.